Hi all, this is me Karan. So in this particular lecture, we are going to talk about override keyword in C++. So a lot many times when you will see production level code, at that time you will see that inside a class we are defining some function or declaring some function, and we see override keyword ahead of some function declaration, and sometimes we do not see this particular keyword. So we'll try to understand what is the reasoning behind this. So let's say here is the class strategy, and this class contains a modify strategy function, and this function is virtual function. Now I create another class sub strategy, which is getting inherited from strategy class, and I want to provide my own implementation of modify strategy inside the sub strategy class. So basically what is happening is I have two options. Either I can use modify strategy implementation that is provided by parent class, or I can provide my own implementation. So whenever I provide my own implementation for a virtual function, at that time we write override keyword. So basically this is just to tell that parent class has already provided the implementation of modify strategy function, but I am trying to provide my own implementation. This particular keyword tells that. So even if you do not write this particular keyword here, then also everything will work fine. It is just that you will be confused whether this particular function's implementation is there in the parent class or not. But if you are using this keyword, then you are sure that parent class has already provided the implementation for this function. But let's say I have normal function which is inside this sub strategy class only, and if I write override here, then I will see compile time error, and compiler will say you are trying to override a function which is not there inside the parent class. So basically what is the meaning of that? That you are trying to override a function which is not there inside the parent class. So this will not, so our code will not compile in this case. So whenever you see override keyword right after a function declaration, then it means that the definition of this particular function has already been provided by the parent class, and this particular function is trying to provide its own implementation of this particular function. So this is the basic idea behind override keyword in C++.